So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, we need to understand what gold is doing. And we can clearly see that gold is clearly much in an uptrend move. It is a bullish move. So basically, in a market, we tend to have three movements. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you will most likely find in the market. So what you can see right here is that market is trending to the upside. So this is very clear. This is clearly a bullish move that market is giving us. A series of higher high and then higher low, right? Now take a look at this here. Market push up to give an high. Then there was a pullback which is an higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new high and this is an higher low. Market was able to give us a massive high, right? So anytime so we'll be expecting an higher low, right, on your gold. So an higher low is what we'll be expecting next. After that higher low, then a bullish move again that will form a new higher high. So basically, we are to be anticipating for a bullish move on our gold. So a movement to the upside is what we should be expecting. Now take a look at this gold right here. I want you guys to understand what gold is doing here right now. So this is our high that gold gave, right? Gold was able to give us a pullback here. Gold then eventually gave us a new higher high. Then it was able to give us a pullback, right? Gold was able to give us again a new higher high, and now it has been able to give us an higher low. You can see that this is an higher low. So one thing we should be expecting next on our gold is what? A new higher high. So guys, a new bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our gold. That means we need to go to our 1 hour time frame and be looking for a buy setup during the London session. So one thing you should do is wait for the London session to open, then look for your buy setup. That is for day trader, by the way. So probably your buy setup will most likely form in your 15 minutes time frame. It could be, it could be the buy setup from a chart pattern, or it could be a buy setup from a candlestick, or it could be a buy setup, as a result of indicators. As you can see, market tapping this 10 period simple moving average. That is indicating that market is going to be about to push up. So this is one of the reasons why I said the price setup is what you should be expecting. More updates will be covered on gold for you guys. So in order for you to miss out on that updates, click on the subscribe button, follow the Telegram channel.